Most people think recycling is all about melting plastic. That's not true. Recycling is not all about melting plastic. Here with me is plastic. This is where the real job begins. This is where you are going to begin in plastic recycling. This is where you are going to begin. The important thing in plastic is that the important thing you have to know in plastic is that you can use plastic in production of nylon and in production of new plastic too. Some of them are called injection. There are different types. Today, you're going to show you how this plastic works and everything, and how to treat this plastic too, how to grind it, and how to use it to produce new plastic or produce nylon. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Vworld. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even to teach you how to market your product. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, as it helps us grow our page, and equally so you won't miss any update from Vworld Nylon Production. So today, here with me is plastic, waste plastic. As you can see, there are different types of waste plastic here. We have the ones we know as injection, we have the ones we know as blowing, so many different types of plastic here. So this is waste plastic. So after separation, that's treating. That process of separation is called treating. Then after treating it, you grind it into pieces. After grinding it into pieces, you wash and spread. That is not all of them that you wash. There are some of them that you are going to wash and spread it. After washing it, then you now go into recycling, which is using it to produce new plastics or using it to produce nylon. So today, in today's video, we are going to teach you how to do all these things step by step. Just follow along better with this video. Just make sure you watch this video from beginning to end. You're going to see how everything is done. So this is it. First step we are going to do now is to treat it, to separate the whole plastic. Now let's introduce the plastic too. So this is crate. So it's called injection. This is bucket too. All these bucket plastic, different colors of it, all of them are under class of injection. So this is mold. Anyone like this is mold. Anyone you see something like this is called blowing. This is it, blowing. All this thing is blowing. So these are plastic waste, and all of them has where it belongs. Some of them are used to produce nylon, while some of them are used to produce new plastics too. So this is the waste plastics. As you can see, they have already separated it. This one is the one we have already separated. This one are blowings. See it, they gather all the blowing one side, gather all the injections one side. This is it, just as simple as that. As you can see, this is blowing too. The one under is plastics. They just gather plastics under one side. See it, just as easy as that. When you gather all these things, if you can separate it before selling it, or you can just sell it, then the people will now treat it. Treating, they just separate it. In the process of treating, they separate it. Now let's go and grind it. This is the place you are going to grind the waste plastic. Once you come, you on your machine, and then start putting this plastic inside for grinding. Let's now do it. For example, this is your waste plastic. You put it inside. Make sure it enters inside, and you'll be putting it between the grinding. As you can see, it's now grinding. Let's see it. All right, this is the one we have already grounded. See the outcome, as you can see. Once you crush the plastic, it becomes like this. This is how it becomes. So then, before you now go to next process, now let's go to the next step, which is sieving it. So this is where you are going to sieve it. Understand? Yeah, you're going to just make sure you remove the whole sand from it. This is where you're going to remove the whole sand. So now let's do it. So when you do it like this, the unwanted particles will now go down. See it. See it. See, this one is waste. So not only nylon that have waste, plastics also have waste. After sieving it, see the outcome. See it. This is called waste in plastic. So now let me take you to another step. After sieving it, we are going to wash it now. We are going to wash it. So here is where we are going to wash it. As you can see, they are washing it now. After washing it, you now spray it. See it. Make sure you sieve it. After sieving it, see where we are sieving it. Come and see it again. See where we sieve it. Here, something like this. Something like this. After sieving it here, you now wash it. See it. Golden. Whatever. So after sieving, after washing it, you come and spray it. You come and spray it here. As you can see these ones we have already sprayed. See different colors, black. This one is mixed color. After mixing it, when you want to produce it, you add master batch to it. Come and see different types, different colors up there. So this is it. After sieving it and separating sand from it, if you like, you can wash it. Not all of them that you wash, you remember. There are certain ones you will wash, while there are certain ones you. So this one now we wash it. So after washing it, they are going to spray it so that it will dry. Understand? We are going to spray it. After grinding, this is what we are going to spray it like this. Remember, this is one color of it. One, see it, even this one too. One color. One color plastic. Come and see this one to the black ones. You see, this one is one color. You see it? This is it. So this is color blue, color green, color pink, and color, should I say black? Then color green again. This is the one they separated into different colors. And if you want to mix color, you can as well do it. So this is the outcome. Those materials, colored materials. Look at them. See it, as you can see, these bowls are different colors, and this is how we produce bowls using those plastic that you saw. As you can see, this is big bowl. This is how they produce it. Just wait now to come out from the machine. We have come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, we still offer physical and online classes. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Thanks for always joining. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.